Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our new quiet hinges for the 64 to 72 trucks and the 66 to 77 Broncos. The original style tailgate hinges for these vehicles had a constant metal-to-metal contact point that was prone to wear and rust. Our new style hinge is made to eliminate the steel-to-steel contact of the factory metal hinges, resulting in a quiet, smooth ride. Our quiet tailgate hinge brackets are manufactured from high-quality stainless steel to eliminate rusting issues, covered with a long-lasting polyurethane bushing that will not only provide a smooth, quiet operation when the tailgate is open and closed, but will also reduce squeaking and rattles as you drive. Sold as a pair, they will fit the right and left sides and are designed to be mounted in the factory hole location, making installation a breeze. Our hinges are not only superior to the original design, they also add a custom touch to your restoration. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.